Hi everyone, this is Soumya Avasthi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. This channel is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe. So also do join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So make sure to be a part of our Telegram family. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss the puzzle-based questions that were asked in the Infosys exam in the morning slot, that is today at the 16th May. So this video is going to be very helpful for you to understand the level of difficulty and the approach to solve the question. So make sure to watch the complete video. Also, just share the video among your friends so that even they can get the idea regarding the questions. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. So this is the first question. Here you have to tell that what will be the number here at the question mark. So if you will understand the logic that is being followed here, so you will come to know, see what is happening here is that we are simply squared. So here we are basically using the square. So talking about this particular column, so you will see 5 square plus 2 square plus 1 ka square, that will give us 30. That is this particular number. Right. Similarly for this column, 3 ka square plus 4 ka square plus 5 ka square. So that will be 9. That will be 16 plus 25. So that will give you what? 50. That is this number. Now similarly here also we will use the same approach. So 7 ka square plus 1 ka square plus 5 ka square, that will be 25. So 50 plus 25, that will give you 75. So that's why here 75 will be the answer. Okay, 75 will be the answer. This is our next question. So let's see what is the approach that we are following here. What is the pattern that is being followed in this particular question. So let's try to understand. So see what we are doing basically here. We are just let's take this particular row. So 1 ka square plus 4 ka square, that will give you 17. 17 minus 1, that will give you 16. Similarly here 3 ka square plus 5 ka square, 25 plus 9, that will give you 34, and 34 minus 1 will give you 33. Similarly here also 4 ka square plus 7 ka square, so 49 plus 16, that will give you 65, and 65 minus 1, that will give you 64. Here also we will do the same thing. 2 ka square plus 5 ka square, that will give you 25 plus 4, 29, and 29 minus 1, that will be 28. So here what will be the number? 28. So 28 will be the correct answer here. This is a very easy question. Basically we are just doing 18 plus 16, and that is being this middle value. Okay, here 21 plus 90, that is being this 40. But here you can see the logic is for getting the middle element somewhat different. You can see 41 plus 35 won't give you 150, right? So 41 plus 35, that will give you what? 76. And if you will multiply 76 by 2, that will give you 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 152. And 152 minus 2, that will give you 150. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. You can see here also, if you will add 24 plus 22, we will get 46. 21 plus 25, we will get 46. And here what we will be doing? So here we'll be using the same thing. Fine, we'll be using the same thing. So let's suppose here the number is x. So 47 plus x. Okay, 47 plus x into 2. Whatever the number is, we'll be just multiplying this by 2. And minus ka 2, that will give us 184. That is this middle number. So let's solve this. So 84 plus 2x plus 2x minus ka 2, 184, 85 plus ka 2x, 184, 2x, let's take this here on this side, that will be 9. Okay, here we made some mistake, let's do it again. So 47 plus x into 2 minus ka 2, that will be 184. So that will be 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 94. Fine, so here we made the mistake. 2x minus ka 2 equal to 184. If you will solve it further, so that will give you 94 minus ka 2, that will be 92. And if you will take 92 here, so that will be 2. And from here we will get 9. So x value will be what? X value will be 46, right? X value will be 46. So here what will be the value? 46 will be the value. Okay, so 46 will be the correct answer. Fine. So let's see our next question. So this is our next question. Let's see what is the approach that we are following for this particular question. So here you can see what we are doing basically. We are just adding these two. 4 plus 2, that is 6, and 6 ka square will give us 36. Similarly here 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 ka square will give us 81. So here also you can see this is the square of what? 7. So you have to put a number that will result into 7, and then we'll be doing 7 ka square 49. So here at the question mark answer will be what? 3 we have to put. So 4 plus 3 will give us 7, and 7 ka square that will give us 49. Okay, so that will be the correct answer. Okay, so this is our next question. Here we have 4, 4, 10, 5, 5, 15, 6, 6, 21, 8, 8, 36, 9, 9, 7. So let's understand from like how we are getting this particular thing. So let's see. If you will see 4 ka square plus 4, that will be 20, and 20 divided by 2, that will give us 10. So this is what we are getting. 5 ka square, that will be 25, and 25 plus 5, that will be 30, and 30 divided by 2, that will give us 15. So that is what written here. 6 ka square plus 6, that will be 42, and 42 divided by 2, that will give us 21, and that is what written here. Similarly 8 ka square plus 8, that will be what? 64. 72, 72 divided by 2, that will be 36, and that is what written here. 9 ka square 81, 81 plus 90, 90 divided by 2, that will be 45. Okay, so that is what written here. Here at the place of question mark, what will be having? At the place of question mark, 9 ka square plus 9, 90 divided by 2. So 45 will be the correct answer for this one. Fine. So this is our next question. Let's see what we are doing here. So let's try to understand basically. So if you will see what we are doing, 7 ka square, that will be 49, minus 2 ka square, that will give you 45, that is this number. Similarly here if you will see 11 ka square minus 1 ka square, 11 square is what? 121, 121 minus 1, that will give you 120. So here also we'll be applying the same logic, that is 10 ka square minus 1 ka square, 100 minus 1, that will give you 99. So here the correct answer will be 99. Okay, so you can see the marks is varying. That's for some puzzle based questions the marks is 2, and for some that is 3. So for this one the mark is 3. Fine. So this is our next question. Let's see what we are doing here in that particular question. So you can see what we are doing here is that 5 plus 8 plus 6, that is giving 93. It's not always the logic is going to be same. Obviously the answer will be same, but you can just get this particular answer by applying any logic. Okay, so that's what I want to say. So here also you will do 9 plus 2 plus 8, that will be 90. So here also we'll be looking for the sum 19 only. So 7 plus 5, that will be 12. So 12 plus 7, if in the place of question mark we will put 7, so that will give us 19. So that's why the correct answer for this one will be what? 7. This is our next question. Let's see what we are doing here. So here you can see 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 1 ka cube will give you 1. Similarly here 6 into 2 12, and 6 ka cube will give you 260. 4 2s are 8, and 4 ka cube will give you 64. Similarly here also we'll be doing the same thing, that is 9 into 2 18. So in this question mark we'll be getting 18, and 9 ka cube will give you what? 729. 9 ka cube will give you what? 729. So here we will be having 18, 729 as the answers. Let's move to our next question. So see what we are doing here in that particular one. So let's try to understand the logic. So you can see 7. If we will multiply this by 4, then we will get 28. So here we are having 3. So if we are doing 7 into 3 plus 1, we'll be getting 28. Here also 20 into, that is 4. 4 plus 1, we'll be getting 100. That is this one. Similarly here what we have to take so that we can get 121. So 11 into, if we will take 10 here, so 10 plus 1, that will give us 121. So at the place of question mark, what will be the number? That will be 10. So 10 will be the correct answer for this particular question. Let's see our next question now. So this is our next question. Let's see what we are doing here. So let's see. So see, that is also very easy. We are doing 6 into 5 30, and 30 plus 4, that will give you 34. Similarly here 3 into 7 21, and 21 plus 3, that will give you 24. 4 into 6 24, and 24 plus 2, that will give you 26. So at the place of question mark, we'll be having 26 as the answer. So this is our next question. So this is for the homework to all of you that was asked in the Infosys exam today in the morning slot. So you all have to tell that what will be the letter in the place of this question marks. Comment your answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you a lot. So make sure to like the video. Make sure to share with your friends. You can share with everyone so that everyone can know about the level of difficulty. And guys, keep take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you so much.